guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are looking for a unique dessert recipe, look no further than this incredible fruit punch cake. This is a reinvention of one of my most popular recipes on my channel, which is my guava cake video. I reinvented it in a bigger and bolder way. Now let's get started. To make this incredible cake, you're gonna need to start off with this strawberry cake mix. You guys know how much I love to doctor up these mixes, and boy is this cake gonna be extremely moist. 3 eggs are going in, and for the star of this cake, I'm adding 1 1/3 cup of fruit punch. Together with the strawberry mix, this cake is gonna be exploding with the most uniquely fruity taste. I love this simple fruit punch brand, but you can use whichever type you like. Lastly, I'm adding a 1/3 cup of coconut oil. It's at room temperature, but you can melt it down if you like to. Be sure that it's a good quality coconut oil with a mild scent, and this is going to pair incredibly well with that fruity tropical taste. I'm going to mix this all up until it's fully incorporated, and if you guys are new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes every single week. They always have a unique twist to them, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Once the batter is nice and smooth, don't worry if a few lumps of that coconut oil remain. Pour this batter into a well-greased and floured 8-inch cake pan, and this is going to bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. While that cake is baking, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare that pink fruit punch gel that goes on top of the cake. It couldn't be any simpler to make. Add to a small heated pot 2 cups of that fruit punch along with 1/2 cup of sugar, and you're going to mix this up and bring it up to a simmer. While it's heating, mix together a 1/4 cup of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water, and I just want to mix this so that it dissolves the cornstarch. If you add cornstarch straight to the hot liquid without dissolving it in some cold water, it'll be a lumpy mess, so do not skip this step. Once that fruit punch is simmering, add the cornstarch mixture right in and whisk it a few seconds until it thickens and becomes that nice and glossy gel-like consistency. You want to cover and place this gel into the fridge and allow it to fully cool and firm up. And now for one of the most delectable, light and fluffy, yet firm frostings you will ever try. I'm adding to my mixing bowl 1 bar of room temperature cream cheese. I'm going to whisk this with 1/3 cup of sugar until it's all creamed together and the sugar is dissolved. This is going to ensure that we'll be able to fold in the final ingredient, which is the Cool Whip. Once it's a nice and silky smooth consistency, go ahead and add 1 tub of fully thawed Cool Whip topping. Now, for those of you who don't like Cool Whip, feel free to whip up your own heavy whipping cream with a teaspoon of vanilla. But I'm telling you guys now, this frosting is just incredible. Place it all into the fridge to chill until you're ready to assemble your cake. By this time the cake should be ready. You can always tell it's done once the cake pulls away from the edges of the pan. But if you're not quite sure, stick a toothpick or knife down the middle, and once it comes out clean, it is ready. Run your knife along the edges and flip it over onto a cooling rack. You guys can just see right now, this cake looks so good. And now for the fun part. Once the cake is fully cool to the touch, I'm going to take that light and airy whipped frosting and layer a nice amount on the top. Of course, this could be done with a knife, but to make it super quick and easy, place the mixture into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and just pipe it right over the top. Smooth it out nicely, and with the last part of the frosting, go ahead and pipe the barrier along the edges. With that chill gel topping, go ahead and pour it right into the center of that cake. And that is it. This super quick and easy show-stopping dessert is ready to enjoy. If you want the cake to fully set and firm up, place it into the fridge overnight. And I'm telling you guys now, this cake tastes extravagant the next day. It's absolutely incredible. If you enjoyed this unique recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and check out my website for more quick and easy recipes. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're looking for a unique dessert recipe, look no further than this incredible passion fruit cake. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.